I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
Yo, me G, so right about me. You don't know, say it's a no vlog, say it's a no day. Yo, me know a long time in the post, and me have an excuse. People, this time, me have an excuse. I joke me, me not an excuse. Me definitely not an excuse. Now mind them, me just showed 2 idiot white girl video. Me drop them on Instagram. So who not follow me on Instagram, FamousSosick, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. Me go drop an idiot white girl video today and tomorrow. So by the time when you see this couple idiot white girl video, go there. Quarantine day, I see him wait till probably day 60. Me not sure. Whole party gone already. You know what I mean? And with there and today, I'm sure no I go on right now. Cause I think of joke settings I go on in the kitchen here right now. Show it so my water so you can see it better. Me have a nice piece of chicken leg I thought right now. Me I got jerk chicken. Me know enough of you still disappointed in me. Say me I go back to chicken, but people hear me out. God know why me go back to chicken. A joke. I'm just joking. Yeah, but me have to go back to chicken. In times like this, me explain it to you, so I explain it to you again. You know what I mean? But yeah, today we are gonna do some jerk chicken. Me gonna mix it up in some little something. You don't know me do my thing already. Me gonna show you a little sweeps how to do it. Me not sure what me I gonna do it. Me probably do fried rice. Me not sure if me want fried rice. So I probably do some mashed potato. I probably just do mashed potato, got that quick, simple, and easy. So I probably just do mashed potato and jerk chicken. That me I go do that soon. So right now, me not ready for cook yet, but me I tell you, me have a piece of leg quarter right there. So we have to clean up my chicken first. Wash it off with little vinegar and then me season it up for you. Because today we are going to boil the chicken. The importance of boiling chicken, let me tell you people. You see, when you not fry chicken, if you not boil it before, it soak up less oil when you not fry it. You know what I mean? But I jerk it today, but it's just better for me boil it. Because you see, when you season up your chicken and you boil it, the season soak in the bone. You ever taste chicken yet and not just outside the chicken taste season, inside fresh? This is a trick to get the season in the chicken. So when you season up your chicken and you just boil it, just a little 30 minutes, and not long, remember, you just pre-cook it because you're going to do something else to it again. You know what I mean? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to clean up this right now, wash it down with some vinegar, and then I season it up, put it down for marinate a little bit, and then I'm going to boil it. Remember me tell you, when you no boil the chicken, it go in the meat, the season go in the meat and in the bone. When me done all the bone, me go eat. Watch this. Alright, chicken wash and everything. Now, see there. What me go use is some lemon pepper. Only now if you use lemon pepper. Me love lemon pepper, and that's why me I use lemon pepper. And remember, we go boil it, so you can put little extra season on it, because it go boil. You don't have to worry about salt. You know what I mean? And we're going to use some all-purpose. So lemon pepper so far, all-purpose. As I say, you don't have to use lemon pepper, all-purpose is good enough. And some pimento. You don't have to use pimento. Nobody don't like eat pimento, but pimento tastes good. Pimento make your food taste good. That's what I say. We have some onion. We have to cut up the onion in here. Remember, say, we boil it. So the onion flavor go boil out in it. So you have to cut them up fine or nothing. Pepper. You want the chicken taste like umphy. So you want a little pepper. Boil in it. Quarantine. My scallion done already. My time done already. If you need to have scallion and time, you add it to this. I'm showing you how it looks so far. See it there? A nice little bowl. You know what I mean? Now you just mix in your seasoning, make everything sitting. I just want to make this marinate for like probably a good half an hour, you know what I mean? So this way the season soak in it, but you see through me I boil it Me even have to make it marinate because me go boil it. So me even have to make it marinate. Me not make it marinate. Cause it a go boil, so the season a go in it. So me just a go boil it from now. Chicken in a pot. I'm just gonna go on and a little steam. Yeah, you know reach nowhere yet. Me just put it on. But me have a little story if you tell you no. Get around, kids, get around. Only gather around. Alright. So back in the days, you know, this is an Anansi story. Back in the days, Anansi have a friend named Dog, which was a real dog. Anansi was a real Anansi. Okay, so Anansi and Dog out the door one day and he must say, yo, son, too hot, you know, Dog. I say, yeah, man, the sun, yeah, the heat is unbearable. Nobody can do out the door right now. Too hot outside is. Anansi, I say, you know, so true. But you see, Anansi conniving. And Anansi get a quick idea. Anansi, I say, you know, me can make a money off a dog. So Anansi say, alright, you know what I go do? I go bet you. You see outside hot right now? You think if me cook some porridge outside right now, me can hurry up and eat it off? Dog I say, no. That's impossible outside too hot. If you cook porridge outside right now, you can't eat that. That's about too hot. Anansi say, yes. That Anansi want to hear, you know. So Anansi say, alright, you cook for you on the stove. Because the stove not so hot like outside, you know. You see how we outside and we can't stay out here? Dog say, alright, me go cook for me on the stove. You cook for your nice son and see which one away can done quicker. Anansi take it. Dog get the bait. Anansi trick him. You see when Dog put him porridge on the fire and that a bubble, steam a come out, you know. Anansi sit down there watch him. Anansi porridge in his sun. A cool, you know. Because remember, you know, even though the sun hot, you only hot for your skin. You know, hot for cook nothing. You see when Anansi say, alright, me ready now. And Dog draw for him porridge. And steam a come out a Dog porridge. And Dog I see Anansi porridge in his sun. Dog I say, yeah man, he can't drink off that. You see when Dog dip him out in his porridge and he burn him, he take one himself, man. He tear down his flank. He tear down his flank, man. Anansi laugh. Anansi trick him and win the money. Quick side note. I don't remember if I saw the story ago. Something go, me think me right, but me probably had in certain part. Is a Louis Bennett story, you know. Me think me probably had in certain part. Me not think I saw the story ago. So you no go nowhere, go tell nobody the story and say me no get it from. You no get it from me. Go read Miss Louis Bennett, the real Anansi story. The pot a bubble, watch it. Yes. You can't even see nothing, it a bubble same way. So we have little time again. Let me tell you one different story. Kids, gather around. So, 2 men from country, you know. 2 countrymen. So, one of them, a long time you know see him bridging, you know. So when him a go bush, you know, him having cutlass on him back and him a say, yo, you see him bridging in a latest everything, latest shoes, latest car. Him bridging just fly. So him a say, yo, how I go on? You win the lotto? The man a say, no man, you know, me did in a car accident, you know, and me get little insurance money, so me a floss. So him a say, hold on. You meet in an accident and you get money for that? So man I say, yeah man, I never my fault, you know. And me did injure. So when you're injured in an accident, you normally get some money. This a countryman you think now, you know, he must say, oh, I saw you go now. Okay, I saw you go. Him go in here the night and he must think, how am I going to make little money and how am I going to get in an accident kind of, no care. So he must say, alright, him figure out a way. Him have a donkey cart with around 2 donkey on it. One cart when use and drawing coconut from bush and go in yard. Him say, alright, me I go crash this. And me I go act like me in a pain. Me must get some money. He must get some money. Perfect plan him have, you know. You see when he turn the donkey cart down the hill. And he turn it down the hill. You see one truck, he just slap up in a truck. You say, yes. Hit this now. So he fly over there, so he 2 donkey, then fly over there, so you know, man. And him there grung and him a ball. Whoa! Me not pain, help me, whoa! So him a go on, you know, because him a say him have to get this money, so him have to sell it, him have to make it nice. You look like 2 police did near and hear the accident and come run. When one of the policeman run and see donkey now, he must say, oh my God, this poor donkey. Him in a pain, him a suffer. Make you put him out in misery. Take out him gun and shoot the donkey in the head. Him frightened now, you know. The policeman go over to the next donkey and say, oh my God, so what next one here? Him in a pain too. Make you put him out in misery and shoot him in the head. Just when he go over to him man now and say, oh my God, see all this man here in a pain? He see where the two donkey then get, you know. So he think that the police them are going to do him, you know. He jump up quick. No sir, I'm good man, I'm fit and fine. I'm fit and fine. Quick side note again. A soap bone me here with the story. Me just editing on my way. Una don't quote me. So no go nowhere go tell the story and say me. Una not listening now? Me not tell you nothing more. Okay, so right now me I gonna make this seasoning where me I gonna put on my chicken, you know what I mean? But a bubble back on me look like. So me have like a jerk seasoning and enough, but we have to go make it work, we have to go make it stretch. This amount is perfect. Add little ketchup in it. The jerk sauce kind of bitter, ketchup kind of bitter. So what you do, you put little sugar in it to cut the taste. Yes, me say sugar. You can't cook with sugar, people. Yes, that's all you need to cut the taste. And my secret recipe for this way me I make, me I go use some cherry. You know what I mean? But me just use a cherry juice. So it have a cherry flavored jerk. Oh my God. When you need to experiment with things and try things. Now you just mix up all of this together. Oh, the aroma. Chicken soon done now. So we're going to take out the chicken, put it in this, and then baste it with this, and put it in the oven for like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. May I tell you now? Yeah, I preheat my oven right now. I'm ready. Alright, I'm showing you something. This way I dip the fork through it, you go right through the meat. This cook already. You see it's tender and nice, so when you go in the oven, all it have to do, just catch color and this marinate in it. So I'm just go do this. You don't have to do nothing more than do this. It will do everything itself. No worry about Ronia, so Ronia so nice. Ronia so great. Ronia so great. See it? See it? And tell you no man, listen when me talk no man. Right, it will do everything itself now. So all I have to do, I put this in the oven and cook my, I always say what did I go cook? Potato, and then dinner is ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the food is finally finished. You know what I mean? Me know the chicken leg just the right in on the face. Let me show you up more in on the face. The chicken leg just the right in on the face, so leg quarter to be exact. We have a mashed potato over here, so taste the mashed potato first, you know what I mean? I'm the best when it comes to mashed potato. So mash. Yo, the chicken, let me show you the chicken, ladies, gents. I saw jerk chicken for look. You know what I mean? Better try get if you look as jerk as possible. You know when you buy jerk chicken if you look bun, but in a bun up. Yeah, that better try achieve. And I think me get it. So me taste it now and see what I go on. The cherry on top is remarkable. The cherry when me add to it is remarkable. The cherry when me add to it is remarkable. The cherry when me add to it is remarkable. I don't think a joke or look, when you see how inside the chicken look, nice and cooked because me boil it. And inside season. It's the best. You did it again, you wretched. Oh my lord. Get little jerk on the piece, yeah. I just do a big cookout one day. I invite the whole of you. The whole of you will have to show up. And me I go cook. Me I go cook. I want to just show up and come taste my food. Jesus, oh my Lord, man. Food for taste good, but no so. People, you see as me touch a jerk, it just a come off because me tell you no, me boil it so. This is good. This is good. Thank the Lord and bless the cook. This is a good dinner. I go watch Netflix. Because I watch All American, me and my baby I watch All American on Netflix. I about to call her. Food a fly to my mouth. I about to call her right now. She go send me the link and then we go watch All American together. Bad batch up on Netflix. So I go do that and consume my food. So blessings and respect to you. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Wash your hand. Bathe often. You know what I mean? Just blessings and respect for found out and watch your vlog. You know what I mean? So up it, blessings and respect. Mad move.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it.